Do you know why soccer is called soccer in the United States? And I think Canada as well. Canadians always like get off scot-free, but I'm pretty sure they call it soccer too. Soccer. 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 Do you know why soccer is called soccer? Ah! You can't see me anymore because of soccer! Moving you down. Soccer! Look, hang on. He's kicking my head. Ah! What kind of tea do soccer players drink? Penalty. What a funny joke. All right. Why is soccer called soccer? The reason why soccer is called soccer is not because the Americans wanted to call it something different. No, no, no. The reason why soccer is called soccer is because we had our association football because we were an association, ASOC. So then the rest of the world, and well, us, started calling that. Well, we are not the rest of the world. Let's be completely honest. So everyone started in America calling it soccer because they didn't want to say association football. There were different footballs for different things. We were association football. ASOC turned it to soccer. Bing, bong, boom. That is why we call it soccer. Association football. Soccer. Hey. So first up, we have wine and cheese party, easy entertaining number 4.
Ever thought about having a wine and cheese party?
I have.
Well, I had my first one a few years ago, and it was a big hit. Let
me tell you.
Let me show you an easy way.
She said, let me show you.
Put one together.
All right, so right off the bat, old YouTube, iMovie, Papyrus, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful content. This lower third was created in iMovie. I did this many, many times. And I just want to say that this hit home for me. Old YouTube.
Let me show you an easy way to put one together. My first strategy was to try to find things that I could get at just about any grocery store. Then I got a couple of dark cutting boards and some of these little stainless steel markers so that you could put the names of the cheeses on your cheese so people know what you're eating.
All right, that's actually a very good call. So put the names of the cheese on the cheese. Step 1, name the cheese. Amazing.
And then the other thing you have to find are some cheese knives.
Step 2, cheese knives. That's a thing.
Many times you can buy them in a set. Now that we've got the gear ready, let's get the things we're going to put our cheeses on together. I like to slice up some baguette, soft cheeses.
Baguette, soft cheeses. Cheese is good.
And then get a cracker assortment.
Get a cracker. Get a cracker assortment is the way she said that. Get a cracker assortment. You're right.
Crackers,
Trader Joe's.
Some water crackers.
Yep.
Cheeses taste great.
Cheeses do taste great. Cheeses taste great, everyone. We all know this. Cheeses taste great.
Let me show you how I put mine together.
Okay, so now she's going to show us how she's putting it together.
Put them end to
all right,
end.
so we're going to go. What is double Gloucester cheese?
In the middle of the board, so I take just a drinking glass and
okay.
I get some nice thin breadsticks.
Nice thin breadsticks. Fantastic. Look at that.
So let me show you some of the cheeses I like.
This is incredible.
This first one is called Cotswold.
Cotswold cheese.
An oranges cheese that has chives and onion in it. It's really, really good. So then I just take my marker and I write Cotswold on the stainless steel marker, and I put it right in the block of cheese.
So the only thing that I don't like about this so far is that she's writing it with permanent marker. If you're going to use nameplates, get dry erase marker because you can reuse the nameplates. That's my biggest thing so far. If you do want to use permanent marker for the cheese nameplate, you can put dry erase marker over permanent marker and it removes it. It does. It creates a dry erase marker.
This next cheese is a Norwegian cheese called Jarlsberg. And Jarlsberg
cheese is the name of this cheese. It looks like...
It does have a rind on the bottom, but
there's a rind on the bottom.
I like to keep the rind on the end. I think it looks really cool. So
wow, look at that.
Just go ahead and cut that bottom rind off.
Oh,
that
wow.
way no one gets a piece of that. That wouldn't taste very good.
So here's something I didn't know until I was in my 30s. You're supposed to take the rind off the cheese? You're not supposed to eat the rind? That's not something I wanted to learn. All right, so now we have a Gouda coming up.
Now, it also has a rind, but it's the kind of rind that you can eat. And many people identify this cheese by its rind.
So, just found out, this is a Gouda. You can eat this rind, but you can't eat the other rind.
And the last cheese I'm going to use
Gosh, this music.
Is a
it's
brie.
So... Oh, brie.
It's very delicious.
All right, so the last cheese is a brie cheese. We love brie cheese. It's just the best. If you didn't grow up in the 90s, let me tell you, moms loved brie and Triscuits. That was their go-to snack that they thought was a tasty little treat that they thought they were doing a little bad thing. And it still is mine today.
So now let's start filling in the spaces. I like
fill in
to
the
start
spaces.
With the baguette.
Yeah, baguette goes on first.
To put,
okay.
These things in like
that's funny.
Areas on the board, and you'll notice I don't.
Three different areas
right on the board. I let them.
Look at how many different boards she has too. She is a fucking pro. Sorry to curse, but that is like so important.
Spill over. I think that looks really kind of nice. Then start placing your crackers. Again, move them around the board.
I'm dancing right now.
A clump of them. Let them spill over.
Look
if they
at
want
this.
To. It just makes it look.
Look
more
at
natural.
this cracker spread. Your cracker spread is amazing. So you want it overflowing, apparently. So this is really one of those things that you can't move, though. One thing that I do like about like...
I like to put some grapes on the board.
My God, this looks good. Never mind. I take it all back. This is incredible.
With red and green and black grapes.
Oh my God.
Great.
Is there such thing as a cheese drink? I think so.
Color grape. It doesn't
there has
really
to
matter. Cut them into bunches.
Look
and
at
just
this.
Move them around
Just go. Just move around the board. Look at that. She's got 3 different types of grapes right now, or 2 different types of grapes. Just.
So things are looking pretty balanced on the board.
She's doing VO.
Now I'm going to add some dried fruit.
Dried
so the first
fruit?
one I'm going to add is some handfuls of some dried apricots.
This is an incredible charcuterie board. This is incredible. This wine and cheese is amazing.
And then I'm going to put on some handfuls of some dried cherries. And these
dried cherries?
They're really.
She just put on dried cherries, everyone.
And then the last thing I'm going to add are some cashews.
Cashews? Now she's adding cashews to this? Look at that.
Doesn't this look great?
Yes.
Now the last thing I like
What's
to do
the last thing that you're going to do before your guests arrive?
I like to take the little cheese knives and I like to do a little slice out of each cheese.
Just to let you know that it's okay to eat this cheese. And I think that is so important. I think it is so important to help your guests know that cheese is there for them. Here comes the wine pairing.
Now, when choosing your wines, I always like to have a red and a white wine for sure.
Red and a white wine. I just said red and a white wine. You got to have a red and a white wine if you're going to have a good charcuterie board wine and cheese pairing plate. Got to do it.
And then sometimes it's fun to have a sparkling wine. You can also go to one of our other podcasts.
She said sometimes it's fun to have a sparkling wine, which is so fancy. If I were there and I had like a nice little sweet sparkling Riesling, first of all, way too sweet for me personally. But if I were to have a nice little sparkling wine, I'd be like, oh my God, look at this. How cute, how fun, how nice. Oh, she even let us out. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for having us as your party guest. Thank you for opening the door for us. This is amazing. Though the one that we're going to watch now is the soccer life hack. So this is called Testing Viral TikTok Football Soccer Life Hacks. All right, so first up we have turn your sneaker box into something cool. Look how pretty those are. Yep. It's amazing. So they call them boots, obviously, because it's Europe. Yep. Move. Okay. Okay. Move. Make me a little bit smaller there. Look at that. That's actually pretty cool. Now, I'm not a big sneaker guy, but this feels pretty cool. I actually really like this as like a, look at all of these cool sneakers I have. Look at all these, and then you can use them. Grab any pair of sneakers. Amazing. And then just put it up. Look at that. It works. So this is the original life hack. That's pretty rad. If you are a big sneakerhead and you want to show off your shoes, I think I might send this to my cousin, if I'm being totally honest.
You take a brand new pair of white football boots, you throw them in the washing machine. Along with those, you get yourself a pair of coloured socks. We've got a pair of blue ones. Throw those in the wash, run the wash. When you open up the door at the end, out you pull, hold on, a pair of blue boots.
Whoa. I don't know if this is true, but he put a fresh pair of white soccer boots, soccer shoes, soccer cleats, whichever part of the world you're in, just let me know. He put in white shoes with a pair of blue socks to make them blue. Wow. Wow.
All right. Interesting.
That's pretty cool. Wow.
So, let's check out the original TikTok, see what you guys think of this one. Turn your old sneakers into $1,000 sneakers easy.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Throws a Supreme box in. Hold on, the boxes come out. What's inside? Oh, here we go.
Oh, okay. So it's a lie. Life hack. Debunk. Soccer edition.
All right, number 6 in our list, and we've got a Nike box here, a gold Nike box, a pair
gold
of
Nike box, limited edition boots.
And the idea of this
cling
one
wrap.
is you're supposed
Oh,
to
this
use
is one that I think is really going to be interesting.
Wrap your boots, and then if you ever see
yes.
sneaker stores where you've got the boots
yes.
where they're wrapped.
This is good.
This
is good.
Sticky fingers on them, dirty hands, damaging the boots.
This is good.
You want to get them dusty. Maybe you want to keep them like really brand new, so you can resell them at some point. And you take a hairdryer, turn that on, and then you use it to tighten the wrap all the way around the boots.
I really like this.
To be honest, you can see us using it here, and for us, it didn't really work.
Oh, it doesn't work
at all.
He said it didn't work for him, so I think what's the difference is I think they're using a heat gun in this original video. I think they're like using a specific like high temperature heat gun to melt the plastic, and it looks like they're doing a different type of bag, so that's what this life hack is. So I'm not 100% sure about this one. It is a good idea, and if you're a real sneakerhead, you need it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, those look like specific bags that you buy for this, and then a heat gun that you buy for it. Yeah.
Number 7 in our list, and for this
number
one,
7,
we need to fire up the Philips Hue app on our
Philips
phone.
Hue app.
We need a color palette, so let's install this, and there we go. Open that up.
So apparently they're gonna change the. That would be cool if you could actually do that, but no, you can't actually do that.
Quite a nice little effect. This should look pretty good on the TikTok. We'll be posting that to our TikTok. Check it out, Football Boots YT. Tell us what you.
VFX Artist React has destroyed me, but you can see that basically they just took a color and changed the hue according to that, and then the coloring. Their editing skills weren't great, but the coloring changed on their skin too. If you like this video and you want to see more and you want to make my dream become a reality, subscribe. Thanks so much. New videos every single day. Wednesday, live stream. Thursday, podcast. Friday, 15-minute long video from a live stream. Saturday, another podcast video, or Sunday. Sunday, Saturday, shorts. Sorry for the hair getting blown in my face by the fan. Monday, React, FYP React. Oh boy, is it going to be fun. You get to see my For You page. It's a weird, fun time. Tuesday, hour-long cut down from the previous live stream. That's right, you want to watch the live stream? Bing, bong, boom, boom, boom. Tuesday. And then back to Wednesday, baby, where we're live streaming every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for helping me reach my lifelong goal of being a YouTuber. 1 million subscribers is what we're aiming for right now, and 1 million subscribers is what we're going to get.